Hi everyone, today is my 25th birthday. I don't have any plans in my mind, but I'll just go to SM to buy some gifts for myself. And yeah, may duty tayo ngayon. So this is the outfit that I'm gonna wear today. Alam na gawin sa today. Anyway, let's go! Oops, what the plot twist. Minutes after ko nga gintik ang video, may unknown number na nag-call sa akon. Ginsabat ko. And it was Manang Mitch calling me. Napapuli na sila from DSB. Upod niya si Manang Katkat ng Emmy Angel and Maple Bear. Nag-change ang plan. Inagad ko sa ako mga manang to go somewhere I don't know when. So, dito, tasig-tasig. Let's go. So, I'm done taking a bath na. Magpo-makeup. But okay naman yung itsura ko. Pero I don't want to wear makeup. See you! So, binulap na lang sila ni Manang na mag-abot. Kaya I have labahan pa here. Ipalabak lang. To be honest, I know that they are tired halin sa DSB, especially Manang Emmy nga nag-drive pa. Kaya syempre may ginhandle silang event. But still, they chose to celebrate my birthday, gid. Bisan kapoy sila and I'm so grateful, gid, sa duwa ko ka mga manangs. I just dropped my labahan sa baldihan. Nagawit pa lang ko sila. So in this part, nasugat na ko nila.
Ngayon, pupunta tayo sa Sagay City.
Oh my God! Let's go! So, pagkadto na kami sa amon nga kadtuan. To be honest, that time, wala ko idea kung diin makadto. Gahambal, mas mga nang katkat na sasagay kami. Pero, it's impossible. Kay may duty pa ko pagka alas 6.
Sing happy birthday, nanay!
Ano na
Nag-smile na siya!
Finally, we arrived na sa among destination, which is sa Silay City, just an hour away from Bacolod City. So, nagkaon kami sa isa ka pagkaunan sa seaside sang Silay City. And syempre, ginbantayan ko gid ang sunset nila dito. That time, alas 5 pa lang sang hapon.
Sana mag-birthday ang Disney princess. Simple lang. Like, wala lang.
Kagula ko pag hindi gina-expect. May danagali silang cake. Yeah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ikaw one? Oh, blow na. Oh, go na, go na. Go na kay Nena. Go na kay Nena. Oh, blow ka mo. 1, 2, 3. Wow! Kiss ka niya. Kiss ka niya. Wow!
And that's all, everyone. Thank you so much.